is up, everybody? It's Jeremy with Tennessee Technical One. Today we are going to test the Yuko Titan Stormproof Match Kit versus the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. We're going to start with the Zippos. Very nice. Looks like you got extra striking pads right here on the container. There's your primary striking pad, but you do have replacements. I like that. Pretty nice container. Pretty nice size matches. Now for the Yukos, extra striking pads as well. Right there's your always good quality container. Give you a little bit of nice cotton for tinder. So let's put these things to the test. We're going to go ahead, put those suckers in to soak. Give them a few minutes. We're going to leave them in about 5 minutes, let them soak, and then we're going to put them to the test. All right, they've been in there for over 5 minutes. We're going to see what they do. We're going to try the Zippo Typhoon match first. Let her get going. It's performing well. That water test is a big one. Very well. Doing very good. Lights back every time. Here we go. Yuko Titan. It is not performing near as well. I'm shocked. Now we're going to put both matches through the wind test. That's the Zippo. Yuko Titan wind test. We're going to run the burn test time. "31 seconds. Zippo, burn time. So after putting each match through the tests, the Zippo comes out on top. That water test is probably one of the more important ones of this challenge, and the Yuko failed miserably, while the Zippo stood up to all the tests. The Yuko did all right until it got to that dip test, and there's just no comparison. Both of them coming in at about the same price point, under $14. I'm going to go with the Zippo. It wins hands down today.